What if the power to create your next masterpiece fit perfectly in your backpack? Meet the XPPen Artist 12, third generation, a drawing display that proves great things really do come in compact forms. Sleek, minimal, and built for creators on the move, the Artist 12 3rd Gen blends portability and precision. At just 12.88 inches wide and weighing 1.58 pounds, it's light enough to take anywhere, yet powerful enough for serious digital art. Its 11.9-inch Full HD display delivers crisp clarity with 1920 by 1080 pixels and covers 99% of the sRGB color spectrum, giving every hue the vibrance and depth your art deserves. With 260 nits of brightness, it's best suited for indoor studios where color accuracy truly shines. Every stroke counts, and with 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, the XPPen stylus captures even the subtlest touch. Precision comes standard, with acclaimed 0.2mm accuracy at the screen's center and an impressive 5,080 lines per inch resolution for unmatched detail and responsiveness. Efficiency is built in. 6 customizable shortcut buttons and a rotary dial put your favorite tools right at your fingertips. Whether that's switching brushes, zooming in, or undoing a stroke. Pair it with the foldable stand, and long sessions become effortless, comfortable, and natural. From Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to Blender 3D and GIMP, the Artist 12 3rd Gen plays well with virtually every major creative app. Whether you're sketching, animating, sculpting, or painting, it adapts to your style seamlessly. Compact, capable, creative. The XPPen Artist 12 3rd Gen proves that precision and portability can coexist beautifully. Available now for $216 directly from XPPen.